Hi everyone. So this is a quick video. I've been doing a lot of speaking engagements lately, and so many times I see something I love. I see a lot of young people who are now interested in saving and investing, and it gives me a lot of joy. And because of that, I just wanted to share 5 quick tips of what you should do when you are young, no matter the age really, but you are interested in going into saving and investing. All right. So the first thing I'm going to talk to you about is starting small. It doesn't matter. I've done videos on how you can start with 2,000, 100,000, 10,000, 1 million. If you want in dollars, $2, $10, $100. So the idea is just start small, start with the knowledge. Okay, and then start with what you have. You are better than the person who is trying to scoop money over a period of time. So that you should keep in mind, and it's a brilliant thing to do. And just know that I'm rooting for you and I am so proud of you. So that's the first one. All right, so the second thing I'm going to talk about is time is your best friend. Time is your best friend, guys. When you start early, you retire early. When you start late, you retire late. So I have had clients who are like 60 years, 55 years who come to me. And by the time we go through the lessons and what they needed to do at the age of 20, what they would have done at the age of 30, what they would have done at the age of 40, because they're in their 50s, we are doing a lot and they're already running against time. So I would say start early, start on time, because time is the biggest thing that can be your ally, like your bestie. So let me explain. You know Warren Buffett, he started investing at the age of around 10, 11, right? But when he became a billionaire, like when he was known for his net worth in the stock market, he had turned 61. So all that time that he was building slowly, nobody knew him. But when he popped, like time had accumulated, and that's due to one thing: compound interest. So probably I'm going to do a video one of these days to just explain in detail what compound interest is and how you can leverage on it to make money. So time is your biggest ally. Do not joke with time. That is why when you are smart now, you can start doing things for your children. You don't need to wait for them to get to 20. You can actually start doing something for them. When they turn 20, you hand this assets and portfolio over to them. But because then you would have given them the information. Don't just pass it over just like that. Okay. So start now and build exponential wealth. That's what I'm going to tell you. That's the second tip. Number three, I'm going to talk about is think long term. Most times people build wealth when they have a long-term mindset. If you want to put in money today and you want to 10 times your money in the next 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you are going to lose money in the long run. But if you keep money for a longer time, you would make more money. There's a particular stock I discuss with the people in my community, my VIP community. You should be in that community. That stock is around $8 to $10 now. That stock can run has in fact the last all-time high was $70. So imagine getting this stock at $8 and it runs to 70, meaning your money has grown over 8 times. Do you understand? You put 1 million, you are going to see like 8 million plus. So this is why I want them to have the long-term mindsets. It doesn't matter. We have some strategies we use to take profit. So you take profit when the stock is going up. So even if it withdraws or pulls back, you are still in profit. You're not losing. And that is very important. So long term pays you when you have the right goal. So you should also understand that you need to know why you're saving and investing. Are you doing this for long term, for retirement, for educational purposes, for travel purposes? When you have that plan, you know how to set your assets. That is very important, and that is number three. So number four, I'm going to share a powerful strategy that you may not hear anywhere else, and that is set aside educational funds. Set aside something that can help you, especially when you are a family person or you're looking to start a family. Now, there are different ways I tell people to set up educational fund for their children. So the first one is you can use a mutual fund that is passively managed. So you don't need to like be checking your account every day. Just set it up. Just make sure that every month there's a particular amount you're putting there. You're hoping that in the next 20 years, you can use it to fund your educational fees for your children. So it takes stress off you, and you've done it little by little over a period of time. The second thing you can do is to set up an account, a custodian account or a children's investment account, and then you put in money in some assets that pay either dividends or good solid growth stocks, all right, like Apple, Amazon, and all that. But do your due diligence. Don't just do it, because I said it. Do your own research. And the third thing, which is a mind blowing idea, is land. But not just land, okay? You buy a land, you plant palm trees. This is something that will give you recurrent income. That land, plant palm trees, harvest, process. You can get in touch with people who are interested in just taking them off you. But if you have like five plots of land and you have planted palm trees there, you are made. Like, this is a good mine information that I'm giving you. So this is how you can actually use it. In due time, they will start funding a lot of things. So the land is appreciating, the palm trees are appreciating, you're making money. That is a good, my powerful strategy that I've given you as my bestie. Of course, that is why you're my bestie, right? So that is number four. And I'm going to talk about the fifth one and wrap it up. Number five, invest in yourself. That is the best investment ever. I am who I am today because I took a chance and I had to invest in myself a lot, and I'm still doing it. I won't lie about it. And I want you to invest in yourself. People can take so many things away from you. They can take away your car, your house, everything, but they cannot take away what's here. Your mind, your skill, your ideas. Nobody can take that away. All right. So invest in yourself. And that is why I encourage people to join my money community. Why? Because you get more knowledge. You don't, free things have a cap, all right? But when you join a community, you learn more things. And then you have a support system, you have accountability partner, you have someone you can talk to when you feel lost or confused or you need clarity. All right. So that is why the communities are there. So do not play with investing in yourself. I kept it for the last because it's actually the best. So I do hope that these tips I've shared with you will help you to get motivated to start investing today. And I hope it will help you to know that you can start with where you are. Don't worry about the next person. The most important person is you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Which point stood out for you? Number one, number two, number three, four. Just let me know. Is it the time, or is it the starting small, or is it the educational fund, or is it the fact that you should have a long-term mindset? Let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Share this video. There are so many people that this video needs to get to. You have 5 friends, please share with them. You have a WhatsApp group, share with them, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. I love you. Bye bye.